Hey everybody, Brian at Friendly Hobbies. You know, when you come into the shop and look around, you'll definitely see we're 3D printing addicts. We want to share our love of 3D printing with you. Now you can join the 3D printing revolution with Friendly Hobbies 3D printing classes. There's nothing more satisfying than seeing something that you designed and created come to life, and we're going to show you how to do that. We're going to show you step by step how to build your printer, how to adjust it, and fine-tune it to get beautiful 3D prints. Also in the class, we're going to show you how to download and install the software that you need. In addition to that, we're going to show you where to get hundreds of free 3D printed models. In the two-part class, we're going to teach you how to use the most popular software out there for designing and rendering your projects. This is not just your ordinary instructional class. At the end of the class, you're going to take home the 3D printer you built. Classes start July 6th. They're $499. They're filling up fast though, so give us a call and make your reservations today. While you're here, make sure to hit that like button. Be sure to check us out on Facebook, subscribe to our YouTube channel, and follow us on Instagram for all the latest news from Friendly Hobbies.